Hi, this is Aileen, and this is my 2-minute legal treat for you.
Texas is one of the 9 states that is a community property jurisdiction. In Texas, when a married person passed away, the estate of that person, of that deceased person, is composed of, or may be composed of, community property and separate property. When we say community property, we're talking about earnings and properties purchased using that earnings during the marriage. When we say separate property, we're talking about properties that are purchased or earned before the marriage. And separate property could either be composed of real property or personal property. When we say real property, we're talking about piece of land, house and lot. When we say personal property, we're talking about jewelries or any personal belongings or items that you purchased prior to your marriage. Now let's practice categorizing or characterizing your property. Let's say, for example, before marriage, you purchase a car. That car is your separate personal property. Let's say, for example, you're working during your marriage and you deposited your earnings in a bank and you withdrew, let's say, for example, you withdrew $5,000 from your bank account and you use that $5,000 to buy let's say a computer set. Now that computer set is a community property.
And so here's my challenge for you. After watching this video, I'd like you to look around and see if you can characterize your property as either community property or separate property.